This is my '63 Corvette. This headlight motor has always worked, and this one is not working. It'll go down, but it won't go up, so I've had to roll it up manually all this time, but it'll go down electrically. So what I did was I wanted to get that motor out of there and inspect it. I removed the radiator and the fan shroud and the fan just so I've got room to kind of dive down in there and get up under there to do it. I didn't want to take my hood off, but normally if you take the hood off you can get access to those motors as well. So I took the motor out, and there's the gearbox assembly, and then there's the motor housing, and of course the electric motor there. I took that all apart to clean the brushes dangling right there, and basically just wipe everything down, put it back together. So I haven't done that yet, but I was shooting wires and I think I found something. I think I see what the problem was. I've got my test meter hooked up, positive going to the passenger side headlight motor, the socket that comes from the car, the electrical connector from the car to the motor. I've got that disconnected from the motor that's always worked, and I've got the positive lead going into just one of the two prongs. There's two prongs. 12 volts goes to one prong, it goes up. 12 volts goes to the other prong, it goes down. It's real simple. And then all you need is a ground to make the whole, to complete the circuit. So I've got my test lead here, the ground, hooked up just to an alligator clip, and then the other alligator clip I've got grounded out right there. Right there. Okay, so come over here and I push down, and I don't know if you can see it. Maybe if I zoom in. That might be better. Okay, so I got my right hand down in the dash on the switch that opens and closes the headlights. So there's headlights closed, and I've got 12.52 volts, and now I'm going to flip the switch to headlight open, and I've got 0. So open, nothing, and there's 12 volts to close it. And again, this is the side that worked. Okay, so now I'm going to climb in there. Okay, so I took it off of the connector that it was on, and I put it on the only other connector. There's only two prongs in there, so I put it on the other one. And now here is, let's see, okay, there's headlight up, 1252, and there's headlights down, 0. Okay, so no voltage going down, and then there's 1252, good voltage going up. Okay, so that electrical connector is testing perfectly. Now, that's the side that worked perfectly. So I'll pull this out of here. Alright, this other one will be easier to see. Zoom back out. Okay, now the other side, since the motor's removed and all the wiring harness was removed, I've actually got a lot more slack on this one, so you can see what it looks like. Like I said, there's just two prongs in there. 12 volts to one side, and it goes up, 12 volts to the other side, and it goes down. I don't know which is which, so I'm just going to pick a random one, and I'm going to jam my terminal tester lead in there. Okay? So now I've got it in that one. Alright, and then the same test. Let me zoom in so you can see the meter, hopefully. Alright. Headlights up. And nothing. Headlights down. And 1252. So that's testing good. Headlights up, nothing. Headlights down, 1252. Okay, then we'll go to the other one. And zoom in again. Alright, headlight up, 1252. Headlight down, nothing. Headlight up, 1252. Headlight down, nothing. Alright, let me swap it to the other terminal again. Headlight up, nothing. Headlight down, 1252. Headlight up, nothing. Alright, so I thought I had something. And here's why. When you put this back on there, there it goes. Alright. Alright. So there's that one up. And there's passenger side down. Okay. And then I've still got the test lead hooked up to the driver's side. And there's up 0 because it's not connected to the up terminal. And there's down. Uh-oh. Alright, what am I missing? Oh, terminal's out. I knocked it out. Okay. Alright. Test lead's hooked back up to the wiring harness there that goes to the one that's not working. Alright, so there's up, and I'm showing 5.4 volts for some reason, so I thought I had some stray voltage there. I figured I would have 0, but I don't. I don't know if that's normal or not. And then down, there's 11.41. Now it's showing 1078. There's up. So I shouldn't have had any voltage going up, but I did, so that's confusing. 1142 going down. 810 going up. Shouldn't have had anything going up. Okay. So now let's hook it up to the one that does make it go up on the side that doesn't work. On the driver's side. Alright. Alright. Going up I got 1077. Going down I got 8 volts, which is odd because I should have 0. There's 558. And then going back up I got 1133. Going down I should have nothing, but I've got 8 volts again. So I'm wondering why I'm getting that stray voltage and if that's normal or not. Alright. So I need to look into that.